It looks like we got season 2 out.
Hey. You copied Sean Games and Animates.
What? No, I don't know who that is. How dare you? Oof, censored X?
Oh boy, I'm corrupted.
Ugh. Now I'm corrupted. I will take off your suit. Dude. I have to wear underpants while putting this on. Dude. Give me my suit back. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Bro. Give me my stuff back. I am trying to shower here, dude. Ha 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 ha. Nude boy? Hey! Don't say that. Wow. Okay, so what? This is fine. Okay. Oh well. Dude. Did you see the SGA replacement?
No, not yet.
Well, you should have saw him.
Bruh. Are you listening to me?
Sorry. What was that?
Ugh. I knew it.
Bruh.
I am a go meet him.
At Sean from the future. Get out of here. I am showering.
Okay, sorry dude.
Yeah! Apologize.
Hey buddy. Next time don't be mean. You asked for it.
Ugh. Fine, I'll join your side.
Yeah, that's what I thought.